Hello. Hello. Say hi. Say hi. Come on, Mr. Dean. Say hi to Mama. Say hi, Mama. Oh, you waved to me? Yeah. Oh, what's that face? Hi, Bubba. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. What's up? You sticking out your tongue? I want to get it. I want to get your tongue. I'll get your tongue. I'll get it. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. Oh, yeah? Yeah? Come on, get it out. Oh, yeah?
I told Joel that once we get back down, I feel like we never took it. We'll clean. Here's some TV. That story.
Come on. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. You smiley little guy. Oh, you smiley little guy. Look at your chin. Yeah. Let's see what brother's doing. No, only that face. Look at that face. Thomas. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. Hi, my little man. Hi. Say hi. Can I get a hi, Mama? No? Boop, 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 boop. Choo, 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 choo. Choo, choo, choo. Are we jealous? Are we jealous? And now I bring it back to you and you're quiet? Huh? Thomas. Thomas. Every time Mama looks at you, Nathan starts making noise. Say hi, Thomas. Say hi. Oh, look, here's Nathan's little foot. Here's his little foot right there. Are you doing something cute over here too? Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing, handsome? Oh yeah? You don't say. I love you. I love you.